Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to print the words of a string one by one using a for loop. To do that, we are initializing a string called word and we are assigning the Python string to this word. And we are writing down a for loop and we are initializing a variable called a letter, and letter is going to iterate using the in keyword the word string. Okay, and then for each iteration it is going to print this letter for us. So in the first iteration, letter equals p. In the second iteration, letter equals y. In the third iteration, it is going to be equal to t, then letter will be equal to h, then letter will be equal to o, and then letter will be equal to n. So this letter that we are having here is going to iterate over this word string, and it is going to print the letter here using the print function. So in the first iteration, letter is taking the P letter, then Y, then T, then H, then O, and then N. So when I run this code, I expect to see Python this a string, but one by one, letter by letter, it is being printed. And we already learned if we want to print this string in one line, we can simply use this syntax and we can say print and the word variable that is called word, it is going to print us the output of our string. So in this lecture, we learned how to iterate over a string and how iterating over a string can help us to print all the letters of a string one by one. And from before, we reviewed that if we want to print the whole string itself in one line, we can use the print function and put down the name of our variable that is containing that string and simply print out that string here for us. So here you see that the Python is being printed. Thank you for watching.